Hello, welcome to Ellie Lavender Farm. My name is Inti. Today I'm gonna review about this tool. This tool is a solar panel stick. It's a mole repeller, also repel mole, spider, gopher, snake, and other animals. So in my lavender farm I have a lot of this kind of solar stick. This is a gopher hole before, probably from yesterday. I just stick this morning again. I just switch from this position to this position. You heard it? It's a vibrate. This is solar. The white part right here, it's a switch. And this is a solar panel. It's a really tiny solar panel. It's have a little battery. Probably one charge can use for 3-4 days without charging. That's make a sound like this. If you have a bigger field like me, it doesn't matter. If you have a little yard, you might hear them from your home. So it's not very quiet. It's not very loud, but it's not quiet either. Look, every 20 seconds they vibrate. Let's wait for this one. See, I have this one. Right here is another one. And this is a fresh gopher hole. This hole just buried by the gopher in like 2 minutes ago. And this looks like from last night. Look, this is a gopher hole. And I have a little tiny lavender here, but the thing is, the gopher does not eat lavender. Look, my different variety of lavender. By the way, I'm from Los Angeles, LA Lavender Farm. So if you like lavender, please subscribe my channel. This is another variety, Spanish Primavera. My lavender farm is a first-year lavender farm. So far I have around 1,000 lavenders. So anyhow, this gopher stick I put everywhere, but looks like it doesn't work at all. I've been using for almost 1 week. It's a trash product. Do not ever use it. I'm gonna return it. This is trash. I already used 2 different products. This is one of them. It's from Amazon, Solar Stick. All the sticks, it's all same stuff. It's a trash. Do not use it. Look, I just talking about gopher. Did you see that gopher over there? Look at this gopher. Look at this gopher. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. And meanwhile, look at this. Right here. It's like 6 feet or maybe 8 feet away. I have another one right there. It's so-called a solar ultrasonic. In my lavender farm, I have so many of them, like 8 of them, surrounded by this gopher. This gopher doesn't give a shit about this ultrasonic stick. That's why do not ever, never buy this kind of trash. This trash is called a mole repeller. I think this is really rubbish product, and the review from Amazon probably is a fake review or paid review. So please find another way to repel gopher, mole, snake. Look at this. Oh my God. But the thing is, my lavender farm, gopher does not eat lavender, but they just dig a hole everywhere. I've been using this stick for almost a week, and everywhere there's a hole. Look, this little hole, all from gopher. This is right under my face. Look at this gopher. He buried this hole already. That's crazy. So anyhow, do not ever waste your money to buy this kind of ultrasonic stick. It's a trash. Throw it away. I'm gonna throw it away. I'm gonna return it actually. 8 of them from Amazon. I'm gonna return it. Look, I find out this crazy stuff. Gopher? What the heck is gopher? This is a snake and this is a gopher. Even this package, it's a trash. Where's this from? It's made in China, of course. Do not waste your money to buy this, okay? It's Amazon product. Oh, the gopher sticks, solar stick. It's actually, I think, it's from the similar factory, it's just different brand. Doesn't work at all. Hopefully, if you find any good way to how to repel gopher, please leave a comment. I want to learn from you. Bye bye.